So how you can set up Cursor app with Go High Level new MCP server. So even if you are not tech person. So how you can do it, first you need to go to cursor.com over here and sign up for a free account. You can download it on your Mac or a system. And then after downloading it, you need to create a sign up for a free trial over here. Then you need to go to this app Cursor Pro. It will give you a free trial and you can just try it out in the free plan also. And now what I need to do is I need to install that my MCP GHL server over here. So to do this, first what we need to do is we need to go to this ClickUp document and we need to have our bearer token and sub account ID needs to be prefilled. And if you don't know how you to do it, and I will tell you quickly, otherwise you can check my previous video where I was telling you how you can test with the OpenAI Playground. So first what you need to do is for this, you need to go to your sub account and there is two things what we need to take care over here. First requirement is your bearer, your API token, and second sub account ID. So the fastest way to find a sub account ID is over here. If you go, this is your location ID. So when you go to this URL in GHL, this is your location ID from where you can get it. So location ID is sorted. Now you need to go to settings, and then you need to go to private integrations over here. And then you need to create anything with GHL MCP server. I have already created it, but if I can show you, what you need to do is you need to go to create new integration, name it XYZ test. Here you need to give the scope of work, what the stuff you want to do it with this. Like you want to edit your calendar, get your contacts, you want to change your contacts. Here, I always prefer not to do anything which is related to delete and rest everything you can figure out over here. And then after creating it, it will give you a key like PIT dash. And what you need to do is you need to paste it over bearer and here you need to paste your token key. Make sure that you are removing this bracket. You need not to place this bracket over here. And after this, your sub account ID is there. You need to copy this code. So when we copy this code, and then what you need to do is the next step is now you need to open your cursor app and go to settings, cursor settings, and from that cursor settings, you need to go to tools and settings over here. And in the tool and settings, what you need to do is add MCP server. So when I click on add MCP server, this is already over here. I have created my bearer this and the location ID, which I've already told you that you need to do this two terms. And after that, when you paste it, you need to go to cursor setting. It's good to go. Again, we need to open up a cursor. Just refresh it once. Open project. You can always like apart from go high level you can always do like if I put up a download another section, let me show it after this, but first what you need to do is just make an open case. So I just do it like this. Now whatever you are doing you need to tell this name tools production MCP, and here you can do a chat. So if I go over here, can you tell me email ID of Noddy from, and then it will start generating the stuff. And now it will ask, it is call ping contact get contact. And here you need to run that tool. So here what exactly I'm trying to do is run that tool. So Noddy Beats email is nippon@botsphere.com, and there is one more idea on the name of Noddy. If you ever need more specific details, okay, let's to avoid this confusion, what I want over here is, can you change this name to Nippon Seal from product GHL MCP? And if you say text, so it will want to run the content. But before that, what I need to show you is like, let's go to this, go back and check, is this Naughty Bits, and it is telling nippon@botsphere.com. And now if I go and tell them run this tool, so now it told me to convert, it has successfully changed to Nippon Seal this. And what I will need to do is let me refresh it and see if it still shows. Okay, now again I need to find it. Let's search for Naughty Beats again. So see, Naughty Beat doesn't exist. And now we'll go to Nippon Seal and check the parameters. That email ID is same if you can see, and if you see the name is also same. So that means it's directly working, and you have lots of other use cases. You can do it from this app cursor. From this command, you can change anything. It's a game changer right now for Go High Level. I have lots of other stuffs available in my community that is called AI Success Circle, where I will telling you lots of AI tips. You can go and join there for free if you want that more data and just have some doubts on this, how you can implement this. And do subscribe to my channel for more AI updates. Thank you.